Good morning, welcome back to day 11 of Vlogmas. So today I just remembered, just came right in my head. I forgot totally that I have an eyebrow appointment in an hour. No, less than an hour. So I'm just whipping up some breakfast and then I'm gonna take him with me while I go. Then we're gonna go to the dog park and then I want to go to the dollar store and to Walmart and finish getting stuff for my party because I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. Yay. And finish getting stuff for my party and then get a couple groceries that we need also. And that will probably be the extent of what we are doing today. Super excited to finish getting all the things that I need. And I'm having the usual lately, some yogurt with berries, and then bagel thin is toasting. I'm gonna put some peanut butter on it. Spa. There's Rooks. I'm 15 minutes early. It's so close to my house, but I always forget how close it is. So hopefully in a couple minutes I can go in and maybe they can take me early. And he's being a whiny pants. It's so windy today. And apparently there's a wind warning again tonight. But hopefully we'll have a good time at the dog park. It's gonna be muddy. I'm a little bit worried about all the mud, but we don't have to go very long just to get him out and socialized a bit. And then we get to do some shopping. I feel like all I do is shop, but it's probably because I record it, so then I can tell every time I shopped. Not a good thing though. Okay, so I got done shopping and I got everything in Walmart. I was so hot because it's 16 degrees out and I have my winter coat on. But then I put everything in the car and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot the s'more stuff, which is one of the main parts. My list that I made didn't load to my phone, so I didn't even have my list. So hopefully I got everything. But so I had to go back in and get s'more stuff. But we got everything, I believe. I'm gonna check when I get home, but got lots of goodies and pretty excited about it. Okay, so here is my haul. I'm gonna start with Walmart. So at Walmart, I got more Diet Cran for my margaritas that I've been making, my Christmas margaritas. I got my friend who watches my videos, Taylor, she actually suggested that I add some frozen cranberries. I was like, genius, so I got that and then more lime juice for it. I also got a mini pack of club soda for them if I want to add club soda or for this weekend the party. So a lot of this is for the party and I'm probably gonna say that 100 times, but and then some more hot dog buns, bananas, relish for the hot dogs, and mustard for the hot dogs. I got 2 of these lemon exfoliating pads. They've been really helping with my body acne and they were on sale for half off. So I got 2 of them and I was like, ooh, I don't know if they're discontinuing them. They were on clearance. So I got 2 just in case. And then I got this watermelon gel moisturizer for my back because it's oil free and it doesn't really matter for my back. I don't want to use my good one. And then I got vanilla yogurt, banana yogurt, these coffee cups. I'm putting our coffee machine outside in the garage, and then I'm gonna have my cousins bringing hot chocolate. So I thought that these would be good for that. And then I got some red Solos. I didn't really look if I had any, but I don't think I have. I know I have some, but they're all kind of mismatched, so I just got some new ones. Got some cutlery for it. Some new socks. I wear these socks every day and I just keep buying this pack because then I don't have to match my socks. They're all the same. So it works out really well for me and it's super easy rather than matching all your socks. Some more stuff. And then this bag of individual chip bags. And then this stuff is all the Dollar Tree. So I got this tray to put the hot dogs and buns on. Then this for probably the s'more stuff. And then whatever else. I got 2 of them. I thought they were so cute. And then I got this plastic snowflake to put my Reese Thins in. 2 s'more sticks. My mom's bringing some, but I got some just in case. I didn't think I could find any in the stores, but I did. And then these tags for my Christmas presents. And then this year I just bought boxes because it's so much easier. So I'm going to wrap a few things, but mostly put them in these boxes. It has these 3, A Time to Be Merry, Merry Christmas, and May Your Days Be Merry and Bright. And then this one. I got Derek some clothes, so I thought that these would be good for that. All is merry, all is bright, making spirits bright, and time to get jolly. I thought those were so cute. And then I got a whole bunch of napkins and paper plates for the party. Got some shot glasses. This sign to put on my table. I just thought it was cute. And it was, all this stuff was only $1. So I got all this stuff for $30. These wooden chalkboards to write. I'm going to write like rum and eggnog and fireball and cider like station. So s'more station. This cleansing facial brush I wanted to try on my face and just see if it like helps because I hate using my fingers for some reason. So I thought maybe I could just use this, but we'll see. And then parchment paper because I've been needing some for baking, but I haven't stocked up. And then I got a pack of raspberry lime water as well as a pack of mini Pepsis because we do have some pop in the fridge downstairs already, but I just wanted to get a little bit more. So that was my haul for today. And we went to the dog park, as you probably saw. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.